Yo AutoSpectre friends. Buckle up, petrolheads, because today we're diving into the electrifying world of the all-new 2024 BMW i5, but with a twist. This ain't your average i5, oh no. This bad boy is a China-exclusive model, packing some secret features and a whole lot of luxury. So, grab your chopsticks and let's dig in.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpectre, your gateway to automotive excellence.
First things first, let's talk looks. The CN-i5 borrows the sleek lines of its global counterpart, but stretches its legs with an extended wheelbase. That translates to more legroom in the back, perfect for chauffeuring your boss, or yourself, no judgment. But the real head-turner is the illuminated number 5 on the C-pillar, pulsating blue when charging like a neon heartbeat. Subtle, yet undeniably cool. Step inside and prepare to be pampered. The cabin is a symphony of leather, chrome, and the BMW Curved Display, bending its pixels towards the driver like a futuristic embrace. But the pièce de résistance is the optional 31.3-inch theater screen in the back. Think first-class entertainment system on wheels, letting you binge-watch your favorite shows in glorious 8K while stuck in Beijing traffic. Talk about backseat goals. Now, onto the juicy stuff, the electric bits. BMW hasn't spilled the beans on powertrain options yet, but expect a range of configurations, from sporty to eco-friendly. And with China's growing charging infrastructure, range anxiety should be a non-issue, unless you're lost in the Gobi Desert, in which case, good luck. The million-dollar question, literally, how much does this bad boy cost? Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but expect a premium over the global i5. Remember, exclusivity comes at a price, and probably some import taxes. And speaking of exclusivity, this baby is made in China, for China. So unless you have some serious Guanxi connections, getting your hands on one might be tricky. The 2024 BMW i5 sedan starts at $71,345 in China, Texas. However, prices may vary depending on the trim level and options, and each state may have different pricing. Is the 2024 BMW i5 CN a game changer? Well, it's definitely not for everyone. But for those who crave luxury, cutting-edge tech, and a touch of exclusivity, it's a tempting proposition. It's a glimpse into the future of BMW, and maybe even the future of luxury cars themselves. So, should you fly to China and snag one? That's entirely up to you, but hey, a man, or woman, can dream, right? Alright, guys, that's all we have time for today. What do you think about the China exclusive i5? Would you rock one, or stick to the global model? Let me know in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more electric car madness.